Meet. Verb. Of individuals, to make personal contact. Meet. Verb. Of groups, to gather or oppose. Meet. Verb. To make physical or perceptual contact. Meet. Verb. To satisfy, to comply with. This proposal meets my requirements. The company agrees to meet the cost of any repairs. Meet. Verb. To perceive, to come to a knowledge of, to have personal acquaintance with, to experience, to suffer. The eye met a horrid sight. He met his fate. Meet. Noun. A sports competition, especially for track and field or swimming, a swim meet. Meet. Noun. A gathering of riders, horses and hounds for foxhunting, a field meet for hunting. Meet. Noun. A meeting. Okay, let's arrange a meet with Tyler and ask him. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.